check this out. We have a great product here for you. I'm 𝗟𝗶𝗴 with the Food Institute, and right here I have with me 𝗟𝗏𝘁 𝗂𝗃.
Correct.
Did I say that correctly?
You did, that was perfect.
Excellent, and your title is VP of Marketing for Plantaform.
Correct, that is me. Hi, how's it going today?
Nice to meet you,
Nice to meet you
to
too.
be here, and I'm so excited to showcase this because I think that this piece of tech is just really great, and our viewers are gonna love it too.
Excellent.
Could you start by telling us what the Plantaform system is and how it works?
Absolutely. So the Plantaform system is the first indoor garden to use fog to grow plants indoors. So you've heard of hydroponics or aeroponics. Well, this is fogponics. So it's 98% more efficient than, say, traditional gardening, and 30 to 50% more efficient than hydroponic gardening, and even 10% more efficient than aeroponic gardening, because what we do is we take the water and the nutrients and we use ultrasonic foggers to distribute the water and the nutrients to the plants in a highly oxygenated environment. And what that means in layman's terms is that the roots are better able to absorb both of those things, so you get better yields, faster plant growth, and just a better experience. Plus it looks super cool. This is the Plantaform Smart Indoor Garden right here. As you can see, the fog is coming up through the center root chamber. We have 3 rows of 5 plant pod holes, and what we do is you take one of these, we sell the pod packs. So think of it like an espresso. You get your pods, you scan the barcode on the package of pods, and the app will know exactly how much water and how much light to give all of the plants that are in this pack at each stage of growth. So you take this out, simple as making a cup of coffee, you put it in the device, and a single click and the app knows everything that it needs to do. So what it's doing is we fill the bottom. I'll show you this. So you just put the water in the bottom reservoir there. We hold 7 liters in the bottom, and there's 2 liters in the top. And the top is really just an extra reservoir. And the beauty of this system is because it's so water efficient, because there's 9 liters of water in it, you don't have to refill this for 2 to 3 weeks. So you can literally go on vacation and come back and your plants are still alive. This also works really well in classrooms where you've got a lot of agriculture in the schools, or classrooms like indoor gardens in the classrooms. The teachers can go away for March break or spring break or Christmas break and come back and the plants are still there, so the kids get to have that kind of experience. But it is so easy to grow the plants because you're literally just putting the pods in here. These little germination domes protect the seeds while they keep the moisture in the seeds. And as soon as the little plants start hitting the top of that dome, you take it off and then your plants grow. This does all the right amount of light, daily cycles. It goes off at night, stays on during the day, horticultural LEDs. And this takes care of everything else. You just water it and come back. The app will tell you when you need to add more water and nutrients.
What types of things can you grow in this unit?
Okay, so you can grow anything from leafy greens to herbs to even cherry tomatoes. So as long as it's not a root vegetable like a potato or a carrot, you can grow it in the Plantaform. Some people use it for germinating their seeds in the spring if they're doing an outdoor garden, if they have a shorter growing cycle. But we have things from a lettuce mix, superfood salad mix where you've got your bok choy and your chard. We've got an edible flower mix, so if you're not really into growing a lot of your vegetables, you can actually brighten your home and have a living piece of furniture with some beautiful flowers in there. The cherry tomato mix, which I've got growing at home right now, has lettuce and cherries and basil and herbs and cocktail mix. Our most popular one is the cocktail mix, so that one just keeps going forever and ever. And the reason that you might want to have something like this in your home is that it gives you access to fresh greens that if you think about the food that you're buying at the grocery store, it's going to get shipped from 7 different places. It's going to take a week to get there, and over that time, it's losing a lot of the nutrients. Having something like this in your home, you're literally picking it out of the vise, giving it a bit of a rinse, and you're popping it in your mouth. So that is the most nutritious way of getting your vegetables and things like that. This is a smart indoor garden that can be used in a home. We have a relationship with a lot of schools in our neighborhood, we come from Canada, and so we're involved with Agriculture in the Classroom Canada. We're involved with eco schools, and what these organizations do is they try to bring eco-awareness and agriculture into the STEM system. So this teaches them electronics, this teaches them horticulture, this teaches them sustainable food practices, this teaches them healthy eating. So whether it's a home ec class, or whether it's a science class, or any of these, or agriculture, or any of these classrooms, the devices in the classroom, the teacher allows the students to do hands-on learning. They're playing with the plants, they're eating the plants, they're harvesting the plants, and they're having that experience. So it's really bringing all of those different possible aspects to the educational system. You can find them in certain restaurants in our area. So there is a Thai restaurant, Parlay, that's just around the corner from us. They have this in the restaurant because they use it to grow their Thai basil. So they're literally picking it out of the device and using it in the restaurant. So they've got it on their bar as a showpiece. several of the spas in our neighborhood. So they have it in their lobby, so they're growing their edible flowers and they use that and they put it in their drinks for their customers. One of the other places that this device is really handy is we have naturopath partners that have this in their business, so they use it to grow some of the herbs and all of the different things that they use in their formulations.
And I see that Plantaform won some awards this year. Congratulations.
Thank you so much. So we did win the Best of Innovation for the CES Innovation Awards in the Food and Agricultural Tech category, and Digital Trends named us Best in Show for the Smart Home category. So we're super excited.
As you should be. This is a great product, and I'm sure it's going to just grow in popularity.
Literally.
No pun intended. Or maybe I did.
Yay!
But congratulations, and thanks again for your time today.
Really appreciate it. Thank you so much for coming to see us.